and into x square and plus up to so on. We have this expansion in ninth question. This see, ninth question we have means ninth part of first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power n. See, this is binomial expansion. Okay, this is formula. Whenever we have this, then we will use this expansion. Minus 1 upon x. Okay, we have this question. So now let us use expansion of this. We will use this. So let us take it. Is equal to limit. Why we are using? I'm telling you, okay? Why we are using? Instead of 1 plus x and 1 plus x to the power n, we will take 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 into x square by factorial 2 and plus up to so on. And we have minus 1 also. And we have minus 1 also. Minus 1. And in denominator, we have x. See, because we have here minus 1. And we have this. And we know expansion of this 1 plus x to the power n. We have 1 in positive. So we can cancel this easily. Got it? Is equal to limit x to the x tends to 0. We have now nx plus n into n minus 1 into x square upon x. Now let us take x as a common from numerator to cancel denominator, okay? Now let us, and plus up to so on. So now let us take common x from numerator, and we have here n plus n into n minus 1 into x, because we have taken x as a common, so we have only x here, okay? Are you getting me?
Am I getting?
Plus up to so on and upon x. So let us cancel. Now we have limit x tends to 0, n plus n into n minus 1 into x plus up to so on. Now let us put the limit.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is n plus n into n minus 1 into 0 and plus up to so on. Next term will be 0 because it involves x and value of x is 0. So answer is n. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See why we use expansion in all these formulas? Because whenever we have x in denominator, either they'll
Yes,
give
ma'am.
you based on direct formula like sin x over x is equal to 1. Okay.
Yes.
And if you have such question which is not based on direct formula and you have x in denominator, so we can't cancel directly, because whenever we have x in denominator, it means their like value will be undefined if we put a direct value. Because
Yes.
if any number is divided by 0, it will become infinite, undefined.
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay. So we will try to remove this x from denominator so that value shouldn't be undefined. Okay. That is why we apply the expansion. Okay. Whenever we have x or x square in denominator, then we use expansion. Okay. To
Okay, ma'am.
cancel this by using expansion, to cancel this x in denominator. You got it now?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Yeah. So, because we should not do like lots of things in one day, because you will confuse. We'll do this
Yes.
like limit and continuity little bit slowly, and then we can do fast. Okay.
Okay,
After
ma'am.
these two topics, we can do fast, but limit and continuity we do little bit slowly.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So let us do rest of tomorrow. I'll check those questions. Okay.
Okay,
by
ma'am.
using software that there is an error or what should be add or subtract or what should be change in those questions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.